Towards Inclusion workshop, Department of Human Development, College of Home Science, Nirmala Niketan, conducted by Ritika Sahni, Founder Trustee Trinayani, a disability campaigner and trainer, on the 23rd of April 2022.
New education policy that has come with inclusion of people with disabilities, and most interaction happens in school, where children are getting to interact with people or children who are with disabilities. So this card game would be a very good chance for people who are not with disabilities to be aware and then treat or include them in their everyday activities. Because when I go back to my school life, I know I had 2 or 3 friends who were with disabilities, maybe intellectual or learning. But I deeply regret that I did not know what it was, so I could not help them. But now when children would be introduced with this card game, I think they can, bring all together and grow up together throughout the time of their school years.
Host our fun Towards Inclusion workshops to play, orient and peep into the game kit at your very own institution.
Of course.
Reach us at ritika@trinayani.org.